I ordered this hair on like, I want to say Friday, Thursday. And today is, what's today? Tuesday?
Yes. Well,
and it actually came Monday, but no one was here to sign for it, so I had to get it today. But okay, so this is the packaging. So I don't even know how this is supposed to look, but I guess this is cool. I thought it would have the name of it. It don't got nothing on it, y'all. There's nothing on it. There's nothing on it. Virgo Hair Company. That's what it's called. Like, it should say it, right? Okay. Dang, I have to take my hair down, and it's looking kind of cute, you know.
it's alright. It's a new day. It's a new dawn. Right now. Okay. Go get up. Okay.
Alright, bro. Okay. So this is literally me.
Bless you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. This looks like the Willy Wonka wig. Do you know what wig I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Straight out the box, this looks like the Willy Wonka wig. So I have to tint. Ooh, wow. Okay. I mean, I guess the hair is cool though. And this is it. It comes with 3 combs, and this is this little adjustable strap in the inside. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna customize it, but yeah, for the first just like little opening hair review of it, it seems cool. Ooh, let me see. No.
What is?
Anyways, this is a really blunt hairline though. So
it's
yeah.
nice. It's nice.
I'm gonna take my hair down and then really see how it looks, okay? Okay, so it came with this wig cap. That's pretty cool. I'm just gonna tuck this bad boy in. This is how all my hair is about to start being under my wigs. Ain't nobody got time to braid. Okay. I don't even remember like the specifications, like how long this is. They don't care where you got this wig. For real. Oh, see, I got too much hair. I have a lot of hair. It's not going on yet.
Try to.
Damn, it's tangled.
Oh my lord.
This is not the type of wig cap that I have. It has little bitty holes in it, so oh shit. I'm taking the whole shit off. Okay, y'all, look, see, this is the correct one, and this is the one that they gave me. This is an honest review, y'all. Let's see if this works. All these little things keep getting caught, but see. Okay. Oh, I look like this looks crazy. But I'm gonna make it work, y'all. Watch. I'm gonna come back and it's gonna be beautiful. And everybody's gonna be like, oh my gosh, how she did that? I should watch this video. You know? Okay? Alright. Wait. Let me do slow motion.
Okay. You could do slow motion.
Okay. So, this is the wig on the head. And after further consideration, This looks really nice. Even though it doesn't have like name on it. But look at this is like really good lighting right here. But you can see that I had to bleach the knot. But this is the hairline. And I can do that, which I love. And the hair is really soft. I'm like peeking. Okay, but yeah. I really hope this looks how I think it's gonna look. It looks like your hair, Addie.